Hi, my name is Kim Young of the Princeton Area Chamber of Commerce, and I'm here today to learn a little bit about the past, present, and future of Princeton Public Utilities. Today I spoke with Ryan Grant, Electric Superintendent. Hey Ryan,
Hello.
Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
So we're just going to start by having you telling us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Ryan Grant. I'm originally from North Dakota. I've been here since December of 2019, so I'm relatively new. And I've been in the electric field since 1991.
So what do you do here at Public Utilities?
I am the electric department superintendent.
Okay.
I directly manage, supervise, and direct employees and the construction, the maintenance, the troubleshooting of the electric system.
Okay, so how many people do you oversee?
And we have 4 linemen.
Okay. What was your previous experience prior to coming to Princeton?
I was an electrical lineman for years, and in 2006, I got an opportunity to be an electric department superintendent, and I've been in that role ever since.
Okay. And you mean before at a different utility company prior to coming here?
Correct.
Okay.
And that was in South Dakota.
In South Dakota. Okay. All right. So, what was the draw here to Princeton for you?
Honestly, once I met Keith and saw his forward thinking and innovative nature, I wanted to be part of that team, and I liked the direction they were going, and it was an exciting thing to me.
So tell me more about that innovative direction.
With his experience with renewables, his past, he's really intelligent and knows the system, knows how the process works from generation all the way down to the electric meter, and he's seen a lot of new and innovative things, and that's the way I think too. So we were kind of on the same page, and I liked his vision.
Mm-hmm. So did you know each other prior to you coming?
Didn't know.
Oh.
I saw the job opening, and I thought I would try it, and didn't know if I was going to go through with it or not. But once I met Keith, that made my decision a lot simpler, a lot easier.
What would you say is the most challenging part of your job?
I'd say upgrading and maintaining our existing infrastructure. It can be very expensive, but we'll be investing in ourselves, and that'll pay back in reliability for our customers.
So what does that all involve?
Well, our system ages, as you know, so we have to upgrade or replace existing things that are not reliable anymore, that could be problems, undergrounding lines, different things like that.
And how does that impact the customers?
Well, our reliability is what the main thing is. If we start undergrounding lines, we can have more reliability. We don't have to worry about storms. We don't have to worry about animals and things like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's interesting. And so what kind of, we were talking about Keith being forward thinking, and what kind of changes do you see coming in the next 5 to 10 years in this industry, and specifically to Princeton also?
Well, I think the number one thing is the undergrounding the system, and he knows about system upgrades that we need to do when it comes to substations, the transmission lines that come into town, how we feed the substations and get the power out to our customers.
Are there any big projects you're looking at doing over the next 5 to 10 years?
Yes, we've actually got 2 substations that have met their useful life, and we're going to need to be upgrading in the next few years, and they're going to be rather expensive projects.
So for electricians for dummies, can you explain a little bit more about what that is and how that helps the customers?
Sure. What a substation does is it takes the transmission voltage from the grid, puts it inside of a transformer that takes it down to useful voltage, and then it's carried to the customer from there. And there's a series of circuitry and breakers and different things like in your panel at your house, but on a much larger scale.
Okay.
So. And as far as reliability, we'd like to add some circuitry between the substations. So if one of them were to go out, we could pick it up with another line and know that it can carry the load reliably without having other problems.
So what's something that you would want people to know about Princeton Public Utilities specifically?
Well, I think they should know that the folks here that work here really care about their job. They care about the people. They work hard. They're smart, and they're just good people. And they're always going to think of the customer first. So.
Thanks, Ryan. A big thanks to the Mille Lacs County Historical Society for the use of their space today. Thanks for watching.